Do you ever feel like your legs just don't have the power they used to? It's a frustrating feeling, and it can leave you searching for a solution. Many people think the key to better leg strength for seniors is just more exercise. But what if the foundation of your strength is actually missing a critical building block? Decades of research point to one specific nutrient as being the most important of all vitamins for leg strength, and that a huge percentage of seniors are deficient in it without even knowing. Today, we are revealing the #1 vitamin for leg strength and showing you exactly how to use it to rebuild your power and stability. Stay with me, because the answer will be revealed right after this. For millions of seniors, leg weakness isn't just an inconvenience. It's a silent thief that can steal your independence. This age-related muscle loss has a scientific name, sarcopenia. It often begins silently in our 40s and can accelerate after 60. This loss happens so gradually that you might not notice it until you're suddenly struggling with balance or find it difficult to lift groceries. In fact, studies from the American Geriatric Society show that adults over 60 can lose between 1 to 3% of their muscle mass every single year. But here's the good news. You can fight back, and it doesn't always require strenuous exercise. The foundation of strong muscle starts on your plate. Today, we're revealing the 3 most critical, science-backed vitamins that are essential for rebuilding leg strength, improving nerve function, and boosting circulation to help you stay strong and independent. Let's dive in. First up is the superstar of muscle health, vitamin D. This is the single most critical nutrient for your muscles. Vitamin D, known as the muscle and bone powerhouse. Think of it as the master switch for muscle health. Its primary role is to help your body absorb calcium for bone density, but its effect on muscle is just as profound. Vitamin D is essential for muscle protein synthesis, the process that repairs and builds strong, powerful muscle fibers. When your vitamin D levels are low, your muscles simply cannot repair themselves effectively. This is why numerous scientific studies have directly linked vitamin D deficiency to reduced lower body strength and a dramatically increased risk of falls in seniors. It truly is the powerhouse. So, how do you get more of it? Here are natural sources of vitamin D. Sunlight is your best friend here. Your body produces vitamin D from sunlight. Just 15 to 20 minutes of sun exposure a few times a week can make a huge difference. But you can also get it from fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, egg yolks, and fortified dairy. Another source of vitamin D is in supplement form for many seniors, especially in winter months. A supplement is the most reliable way to get enough, and a vitamin D3 supplement is often the best choice. Look for 800 to 2000 IU daily, but always confirm the right dose with your doctor. And remember this key tip: vitamin D is fat soluble, so take it with a meal that contains healthy fats like avocado or nuts to maximize absorption. Now, while vitamin D is the star player, it performs best with a support team. First up is vitamin B12. If vitamin D is the muscle builder, vitamin B12 is the electrician. Vitamin B12 is the essential nutrient for your nerves and energy. Strong legs aren't just about muscle, they're about the nerves that activate them. Vitamin B12 ensures the nerves that run from your brain to your legs are working perfectly, telling your muscles to contract with speed and force. A deficiency in B12 can lead to numbness, tingling, and weakness in the legs. This is particularly common in seniors because our ability to absorb B12 from food decreases with age. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products like meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy. If you're over 60, you may benefit from a supplement, and this can be a game changer. Because of absorption issues, sublingual tablets, which dissolve under the tongue, or even B12 injections can be more effective. Aim for at least 500 to 1000 mcg daily if you're supplementing, and again, check with your healthcare provider. As a bonus, B12 is also essential for red blood cell production, which delivers oxygen to your muscles, fighting fatigue and improving endurance. Next on the team is vitamin E, the delivery driver. This powerful antioxidant improves circulation, ensuring that blood, oxygen, and nutrients can actually reach your hardworking muscles. This helps with endurance and speeds up recovery. You can find it in almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. Now here is the action plan, combining the vitamins for maximum effect. So, how do we put this all together for maximum leg strength for seniors? It's simple. In the morning, take your #1 powerhouse, vitamin D, with a healthy breakfast like eggs or avocado toast. Midday, use a sublingual vitamin B12 to support your nerve function and energy with your main meal. Take your vitamin E to boost circulation and recovery. When you combine the muscle builder with its support team, you are creating the perfect nutritional environment for your body to rebuild strong, stable legs. And remember, hydration and light exercise, like walking or using resistance bands, will help your body use these nutrients even more efficiently. Here is your path to stronger legs. The answer to regaining your leg strength isn't a mystery anymore. The number one vitamin for leg strength, vitamin D, supported by its team, gives you a powerful, science-backed path forward. You have the power to rebuild your strength and reclaim your independence. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more health secrets. Share this with someone you love. Comment strong legs below if you're ready to take action and fuel your body the smart, natural way. Now you know the number one vitamin your legs have been begging for, but there is one more secret to waking up with stronger muscles. It's not just about what you take during the day. It's what you eat before you sleep that really matters. In our next video, discover the best bedtime foods that help seniors recover faster, rebuild muscle overnight, and wake up feeling energized. Don't miss it. Your legs will thank you tomorrow.